We're gonna find out what we got today. I did try to take this box out of the other box and I could not get it out, so I'm just gonna have to open it like this, which is fine. And there's little packing peanuts. Thanks, Nick. That's fine. And then, what's in there?
A pink slip.
My Shire Farm hatching guide. And what's underneath there? It's Quill! Alrighty. It says you are a Quill parent. Okay, we have the lid off of the incubator. That's why it's beeping, so that we can get the quail eggs in.
Some people have written books, some have a great look that covers the magazines for kids who are 17. But I don't know what to do, staring into the blue sky and just waiting for a sign. Some, they are certain of what awaits them when it all ends, but I don't know what will happen to me. Will I be remembered in this century, or will I be forgotten like dust in the wind, or the talk of the town that we are living in? Well, I don't know, I don't know. How could I know what lies ahead of me? Am I part of a grander master plan? Will I be washed away like lines in the sand?
So the humidity and the temperature is perfect for right now for quail. And if it drops down too low, it will actually start to beep. And then it will climb back up. So it will get to a point where this will start, it'll stay this way for a little bit, then it'll drop a little bit, about 1 degree, and then it'll come back up slowly. It doesn't take long though. So see, it's now starting to drop. So it will drop for about 1 degree and then it'll come back up, and then it will beep, and then it will stop beeping. So as long as we hear it stop beeping, then everything is good. And then we've got an hour and about 24 minutes before it will rotate itself, and we are on day 0. Okay, so we will keep you guys posted. So whenever they start to hatch, we will try to bring you guys along if we can. So anyway, so thank you guys so much for spending time with us today, and we'll see you soon.
I don't know what to do. I'm staring into the blue sky and just waiting